The hell of the day, we're making some pistachio cookies, and we're going to start off with flour, gold metal flour, all-purpose flour. We need a cup and a half of this, so I'll start off with a cup first. Same way we did the cashews the other day, except this time it's pistachios. Sorry about that. And you want, that's pretty much a cup right there. And then the next one, you want to get right there. And that's all you need of that. And the next one, you need a half a teaspoon of baking soda. So you want to put half teaspoon of baking soda right there. Okay. Now you need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You'll put it in right there. Okay. Okay, for the next one, you're going to have a stick of butter, room temperature, unsalted, of course. Then you want a half a cup of sugar, or if you're like me and can't have sugar because you're diabetic, you can also substitute for Splendid or whatever your preference may be. I don't know, but I need a half a cup for that. Okay. Your next step, well, it's optional. If you want, you can have brown sugar added to it. I have a cup of it, but I'm going to skip that part and add 1 egg. Okay. Okay, then you want a 1/4 of vanilla, like that. 1/4 of vanilla, your deal. Okay. Last ingredients is your not peanut butter, but pistachio. Your pistachio butter. Now you got to make this homemade. If you ain't watched my first video, watch my video how you do this. And anyway, you can put this in here. Okay. After this, we'll take this to the blender. Okay, we'll turn this blender on. Do it very slow at the beginning. Get the thing to kind of work itself together. Just a few minutes. Then we'll start getting faster with it. A few more minutes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Before I start rolling them up, I wanted to show you. That's the look you want. So you want it to kind of be a crumbly dough. That's the way cookies are supposed to be. And it's real, it forms together easy. Anyway, I'm gonna roll them up. There they are before they go in the oven. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put them in the oven. Okay, now it's time to test them out. That's my homemade pistachio butter cookies. A little bit warm. That's the way I like it. Hot, hot, hot. It's really tasty. Hot. Oh God, it's hot. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.